Maggie, can you look at me? Hi. How's the umbrella going?
You can't see me.
I can't. Where'd you go? There you are. I found you. Where'd Maggie go? She's going that way. Oh, okay. Just leave it there. Put your hood on. Oh, okay. Well, you're gonna be a bit soaked then. Well, you gotta get your butt all wet. But, you know, I guess you'll learn. How's it feel?
My boots poking off.
What's up?
My boots poking off.
Yeah, I still don't know what he said. What'd you say?
My boots poking off.
Yeah, your boots are doing a good job, aren't they? There we go.
Like that?
Yeah, well, keep pumping. There you go.
My boots are going to fall off.
Oh, your boots are gonna fall off. Oh, I get it now. Yeah, they might not be the most tight. Alright, I'm gonna go back inside and cook. So, have fun. Google, you coming with? There you go.
Is it just a little wet?
No, not too much. Bye-bye. You say bye-bye. There you go.